Let her rip. Oh yeah.
My name's Jeremy Holt, and I'm a S.H.A.R.K.S Club member here at the field. This weekend we're having a Big Bird RC flying rally, and there's a lot of big airplanes out here. Spans up to 10 feet, and they go from gas to electric type motors, some all the way up to 170 cc's, swinging a big 32-inch prop. I've been flying all my life. My dad got me into the hobby, and he actually still flies. Right now I'm flying a 40% scale Yak 54, which weighs approximately 39 pounds. I grew up in this hobby, and I think this hobby actually led me to what I do now as my job. I fly with the Air Force, and I'm flying B-52s, and I love it. Some of my best buddies, Jonas Farr and Kevin Cole, I met them out here, and we fly together all the time. It's really good times.